On a quiet roadside, a tiny puppy cried out for help. Then came a stranger, a kind-hearted woman passing by. She held him close, and just like that, his world began to change. She brought him home, gave him food, warmth, comfort, and most of all, love. The little one grew stronger, happier, and he knew he was finally safe. Now, he runs on the beach, goes on every adventure life brings, and swims with his fur family. All because one soul chose kindness, and without hesitation. One simple act can save a life. Be the reason someone feels loved today.